Hello all, welcome to the channel EasyBro. So recently we have came across this hackathon which is organized by Level Supermind. We have decided to participate in. So we have registered here as a team EasyBro. So we got our assignment. So the assignment asked for the social media performance analysis that in which we have to develop a basic analytics module using Langflow and DataStax to analyze engagement data. So the task details are to create a small data set simulating social media engagements like likes, shares, and comments, and store it into DataStax Astra DB. So and after that we have to create a simple flow using Langflow to get the generated output like comparison of carousels post have 20% higher engagements and basic insights based on the post type and the data we feed. So here is demo for our Langflow like here. First, what we are doing, we have a file component in which we have uploading our file. Then there is one more component called split text that is dividing our large data into specific chunks and feeding it to the database. So what and we have used an Google generative embeddings. So what embedding do is convert text or data into a numerical vectors that machine learning models can understand. So what we have done, it used 760 dimension fixed vector to represent the data. That helps model to understand the relation between the text based on their meaning. So this is how it works. First we upload data that splits and then it is get added to the database. It is a data adding flow. Then we have a construction flow that works like this. We have first chat input. We ask for the user to input the post type, which is carousel, static images or reels. Then we pass that data as a search input, and here we also provided an embedding for the searching. Then it performs an query operation and result the data based on the post type we have provided. Then we pass that data and then it passed to our context. So this is a prompt, so in which we have decided that we'll be giving a simple prompt to get average likes, average comments, average share and reach and engagement and the comparison between all the post types we have. So this is a basic prompt, and then we have provided the chat input into a post type which all combines. We have given this as a input type, and then we run this generative AI model to get our output. So here it was a basic flow of doing this assignment. The important key points here was the Google embeddings that converts our data into numerical vectors that machine learning can understand and helps them to understand the relation between the objects and text based on their context. So for this we have created in one front end. Here it is. We have hosted is an on render. So this is a basic UI that says this is a social media performance analytics module, and this model operates using predefined data that was provided during the execution of the file. Before that I will show you the data we have. This is an Excel sheet which contains our data. We have post type that is reel, carousel, static images, and the number of likes, comments, shares, and rest of the things that we are needed for the analytics module. And then here we have our social provided here. To run this model, we have to select the content type here. From here we select reels and submit it. So what it will do, it will run the data's Langflow model, fetch the data and give us a response. So it may take some time. So let's wait for that. I guess that's taking too long. Let's wait for it. Here is the analytics result. What we have gotten here is like, average comment, average shares, and the impressions based on the input we have provided, that is reel, and then the comparison with reels with the other post type, and got the insights like reels tend to have higher average engagement rate and others. So this is all our flow and the assignment that we have been assigned to do. We can test it for another type as well, carousels, submit. This will take some time. We are fetching the data. So we got the response and this is result. We have some average likes, comments, shares, and comparing carousels with other post types. And the engagement rate is carousel posts have slightly higher average engagement rate compared to overall average. Then in share, carousel posts have moderate number of shares on average, reach and impressions. So that's our all model. We have built a front end and a simple chat flow using Langflow and the data using DataStax. Here we are just focused on completing the objective of the project, but we are planning to make it open source. So here are some future scopes that we will be implementing. Here what we'll be doing is accepting a username from an Instagram or any social media platform, and then we'll provide a web search or a API head to get all the post details from his account. Then we'll process it and then then personalized output So what should be the strategy to build his Instagram more popular? Yeah, that's all. So here is our GitHub repository containing all the initial files or the important files that we need for the deployment and to run the project. We have contributor MD, we have backend, front end as well with the assets folders. Here is a detailed description about the project and the screenshot. We have also added it for the better understanding. Yeah. Thank you.